I don't make boxes for two simple reasons. They're hard and I suck at it. It's that simple. Let me tell you a little story about these boxes and why I made them. As you may know, I've been commissioned by my wife and my daughter, without real payment, to make all these things for my daughter's upcoming wedding. And that's fine. I'm making a cake stand with epoxy. I'm good at that. I'm not good at making boxes. First, I should say this. In the wedding, my daughter, instead of using flower girls, she's going to use flower grannies. So the grandmothers are going to be the flower girls. And they need little containers, I guess, to pull the flower petals out and toss them around, whatever. So my wife comes to me the other day and she says, "Hey, we were in Hobby Lobby the other day and we saw these boxes that would be perfect for the flower grannies." Okay. Did you buy them? She says, "No, I figured you could make them." And she says, "Oh, and don't use your nice expensive wood down in your shop, just use cheap wood." Cheap wood doesn't exist anymore, it's all expensive. But I guess she just meant cheap pine from the local box store, which is all fine and good, but it sucks to work with cheap pine because it's not straight. So here's the boxes that I made. There's no lid to them. We're going to do some type of handle and she's going to paint them white. From a distance, they may look fine. Up close, not so perfect. So let me show you the process that I used to make these boxes and the struggles that I went through and the lessons learned. So there you go. In the end, I guess we've got 3 boxes that once you paint them, you're not really going to be able to see as many imperfections, although you'll be able to see some. And, well, I mean, I guess there's something to be said about it being handmade with love. Some lessons that I learned on this. One, I need to stop using cheap saw blades. 2, I need to buy a thin kerf saw blade to get better miters. And also, my homemade table saw sled is good, but it's not great. And it caused me some issues with cutting the miters, compounded by the cheap wood. I mean, I'm going to take these lessons that I've learned and hopefully improve on my box making. I will say it's still hard and I still suck at it. There's a little enjoyment out of it. I might try to get better at it. But I think I might stick with my epoxy projects and my wooden flags, because my style is rustic. Because if you make a mistake or if it's not perfect, we call that rustic. And that's how you hide it. Anyway, thanks for watching. Keep coming back. We're going to keep building more stuff for this wedding. Next up, we got a cake stand that's coming. That's going to be pretty cool. I'm loving how that's getting ready to turn out. Be sure to like and subscribe, and click on my link tree down in the description. Takes you to all my affiliates and how you can help support the channel, and follow me on all my other social medias. In the meantime, here's a video you can watch. It'll post somewhere. I don't know. Let's make some sawdust. Just not any more boxes.